Hello guys, welcome back. So it's vacation time and kids are going to be looking out for snack options at home. So if you don't want to give them store-bought cookies which we do not know what the ingredients are, then do try making this 30 minutes recipe which is really delicious and made with mostly healthy ingredients. So the ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. I've got lots of kids-friendly recipes on my channel. So do check it out by subscribing and liking and sharing, and also leaving a comment below. So let's jump into the recipe. So to begin with, on medium flame I placed a pan and I'm adding half cup of water into it and then adding 1/4 cup of finely chopped dates. Make sure you chop it finely, otherwise it will become a little difficult to puree them later. So I'm going to mix everything together and then we are going to bring the water to a boil. So once the water comes to a boil, simmer this for 10 more minutes. After which we'll just cool the mixture completely and make a smooth puree out of it. Now in here I've got the rest of the ingredients, which is whole wheat flour. I'm going to add it to a bowl along with some regular sugar. Make sure it's not too granulated. And then add soft butter. You can use unsalted or salted butter. So I'm going to be adding the butter to these ingredients. Now we'll mix everything together and make a crumble out of this. So it should resemble almost like a breadcrumb. So I'm going to mix the butter nicely along with the sugar into the wheat flour. So you can see it's become a crumbly texture. Now it's time to add the dates puree to this. And mix it in. Now we have to bring this into a dough like that. Almost like a chapati dough, but it has to be softer than a chapati dough. So now this is ready. We'll wrap this in cling wrap. And we'll refrigerate it for 15 minutes. So I'm just rolling everything together. I've wrapped it in cling wrap and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, put the oven for preheating at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Take out the dough and start rolling it into a 10-inch circle. Then you can use any cookie cutter of your choice and cut the pieces. With the remaining scrap of the dough, you can roll out once again and make the rest of the cookies. So let me remove these into a tray. So I've layered it with baking paper and put the cookies on the tray. We'll put it into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And the cookies are ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.